Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another cooking it up video for you today. Now I am in the mood for some soup. Now I know it's not soup season because it's springtime, but I have a wonderful detox cabbage soup recipe for you today. Now this isn't the same cabbage soup recipe that I did a video on about a year or two ago. This is a new improved detox cabbage soup recipe, more flavorful and have more nutrition in it. All right, so this is going to do the same thing. It's going to detox your body, it's going to rejuvenate your body, revive it with proper nourishment, vitamins and minerals, and it is healthy. Okay, you can have this soup for dinner, as a meal replacement, for snack. Okay, whenever you feel hungry, this is something healthy. Food prep it and keep it for a couple of days and you have a wonderful ready-made soup at any time you're ready. Okay, so let's start this video right now where you're going to learn how to make this wonderful weight loss detox cabbage patch soup. All right, let's get into the video right now. Okay, here are the wonderful ingredients that you're going to need for this soup, and I tell you, it is going to taste wonderful. Okay, so let's get started in this video right now. Okay, so you're going to add these ingredients in your pot to start off with. Okay, we're going to start off with adding our water. Now for this recipe, you're going to need 4 cups of water. Okay, 1 liter of water. Pour that into your pan. You're also going to need 4 cups of low sodium beef or vegetable broth. Now I got the vegetable stock right here, and this is vegan, fat free, so no MSG is added. Okay, so we're just going to put that in there. You're also going to need 4 cups of this, which is another liter. So add the stock into your water. So while that is boiling, let me just explain to you the things that you're going to need for this recipe. Okay, you're going to need 2 medium onions. You're going to need 3 carrots, peeled and sliced, rounded. You're also going to need 3 cups of string beans. Okay, you're going to, and frozen is okay too. You're going to cut them. Then you're also going to need a half a head of cabbage. Now that's a half a head, so I had to put it in 2 bowls. You're also going to need, okay, 3 ribs of celery. Okay, so you're going to need 3 celery ribs and you're going to dice those. You're also going to need 2 you guys, so we're back, and now to start this off, we're going to start putting in our ingredients. So the first thing we're going to do is put in our carrots. Now in this recipe, you're going to need 3 carrots peeled and sliced into rounds. I bought this already cut and sliced from the supermarket, so it's already done. So we're going to put that in there first. The next ingredient I'm going to add is my string beans. Okay, now you're going to need 3 cups of string beans, and you can also use frozen if you choose. So we're going to throw that in there as well. Next we're going to add in our onions. Now I used 2 medium onions for this recipe, so we're going to throw that in our pot as well. Now what we're going to add is our beans. Now you're going to use 2 16-ounce cans of red kidney beans. Okay, you're going to rinse it and drain it. So we're going to put that in there as well. So now we're going to add in our seasonings. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of our salt. Okay, and I'm using kosher salt, so we're going to use 1 teaspoon. Now we're also going to use 1 teaspoon of our chili powder. Okay, 1 teaspoon. Now we're also going to add in 1 cup of fresh tomatoes, or you're going to use 1/28-ounce can of fresh tomatoes. So you can either use the can or you can use the fresh one. I decided to use the fresh. Also going to put in our minced garlic, and in this it's 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. We're also going to add in our celery. Now as far as the seasonings, we're going to also add in 1 bay leaf. Okay, just 1. Throw that in there. And this is what it looks like. Pop. Throw it in there. We're going to also use our turmeric powder, and you're going to use 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. This is optional. You don't have to use this if you choose not to. But there's wonderful benefits in turmeric. So we're just going to sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And we're going to use 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now if you want, you can also add in 1 tablespoon of curry powder if you choose to add that in there. Well, I'm going to put that in this today. Okay. So now I'm going to add in our cabbage. Okay. Cook this down, and we're going to slow cook it. So if you have a slow cooker, that's great. But if not, just turn your flame down on low and cook it until your vegetables are tender. And I'll show you the end results afterwards. Okay, you guys, there it is, our wonderful cabbage patch soup. And this is delicious. It's filled with lots of vitamins, minerals. It has your green peas, your green beans, your cabbage, your beans, your carrots, onions. I mean, full of flavor, and definitely a wonderful meal for detoxing your body and being healthy on your journey. Here's a new recipe, and this is called the Cabbage Patch Soup Detox Recipe. All right, bon appetit. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.